Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand how to make coin collector game in Unreal step by step. In the previous videos, we understood how to create game menu level. We understood how to create game menu and how to display the game menu in the game menu level. If I click on the play button, you can see that the game menu is getting displayed here. If I click on exit, it quits. If I click on the play button, it takes us to game level 1, right? We understood how to create game level 1 and we understood how to display the HUD in the game level 1, right? So here we have the HUD, score and health, which we are displaying in the game level 1. So if I open the game level 1 and click on the play button, you can see we have score and health. In this video, we are going to understand how do we create coins, and when the player collects the coin, we increment the score. We display the score in the HUD also. So in this video we understand how to implement score step by step. So let's get started. Here I am going to create one new folder, call it as blueprints. In the blueprints folder we put all our blueprints, guys. So right click, create a blueprint class of type actor. Why actor? Because actor is an object that can be placed in the world. So I select actor. I call this BP underscore coin. BP underscore coin. I double click to open it. You can see BP underscore coin is open. Here I'm going to add a cylinder. I'm going to add a cylinder and then I rotate this cylinder by 90 degrees and then I scale it down so that it looks like a coin. You can see it looks like a coin. To this coin I'm going to apply the material. I search for gold material. You can see that the gold material I have applied to this coin. Next I go down. I change the collision presets to overlap all dynamic. So it should overlap with the dynamic actors. Our player is a dynamic actor, so our player can overlap with this coin. Okay, overlap all dynamic. Compile, save. Next, I want to rotate it around z-axis. So I go to event, tick, right click and search for add actor world rotation. In the world space, I want to rotate continuously in the z-axis, okay, around z-axis 1 degree per frame. Okay, compile and save. I go to game level 1 and delete these cubes. Okay, I delete these cubes and then drag and drop BP underscore coin to create some instances. Alt drag to duplicate, alt drag to duplicate, alt drag to duplicate, alt drag to duplicate. So we have some coins. If I click on the play button, you can see that the coins are rotating. So that is how you create coins in game, guys, right? Now player can overlap with it. You can see that, right? When the player touches any of the coin should get destroyed and score should get increased, right? So how do we do that? When the player overlaps with this BP underscore coin, the coin should get destroyed. That we implement in third person folder. I open blueprints folder, I open BP third person character. You can see that BP third person character is open. Here is our BP third person character and here we have the capsule component which we use for handling collisions. So I go to event graph. Here I right click and I say add event for capsule component, collision, add on component begin overlap. So whenever this capsule component of our player overlaps with other actor, okay, this node is executed, guys. Very simple thing. Here I'm going to check whether other actor is BP underscore coin. Whether other actor is BP underscore coin. If our player is overlapping with the instance of a BP coin, it returns that BP coin, okay, which we can simply destroy. So I say here destroy actor. Okay, let's test it. Compile and save. Come to game level 1 and play. Now if I go, you can see that the coin is getting destroyed. Destroy, 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 destroy. So we are successfully able to collect the coins, right? Player is able to collect the coins, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to display the score, right? Score should change, right? In the HUD you see score is still 0. It should change to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So how do we implement that? In the BP third person character, I am going to create a variable called score. Okay, I hit enter. I change type to integer compile, initial value 0. Okay, this score, I get the score and I increment it. So I say here plus plus, increment by 1, that's it, increment by 1. What happens here? Of course, when the player touches the coin, that coin is destroyed and score is incremented. We can display this score. Okay, we can display this score in the HUD also. Compile, save. Here I right click and say print string, and then I say here append string node, connect the return. Here I say score colon, and we get this score, give it to here. Okay, it converts integer to string, and let's display the score getting updated in the output log window. So go to game level 1, open the output log window and click on the play button. Now you see in the output log window score getting incremented. 1 score is 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, score 5, right? But we want to display this score in the HUD, not in the output log window, right? So what I do, I go back here, delete these things from here. Okay, score is incrementing. I am going to access this score which is in the third person character in the HUD, WBP HUD. So I go to WBP HUD, go to the graph. Okay, here on every frame, okay, continuously I say get player character. I say here cast to third person character. So this gives us third person character. Okay, in the third person character we have the score. This pin gives us reference to the third person character from which we can get score. I say get score. Now this score we have to set. So here we have txt score, right? Here is our score, txt score variable. I am going to get this txt score and I say here set text. Set text. What should be the text? What should be the text of txt score? Here I say format text. Format text. Here I say it should display score colon, and I create a placeholder, opening closing flower bracket, placeholder name I give score, hit enter. Automatically the placeholder is converted to the pin so that we can give the value. It displays score colon whatever the current value of score is, score 1, 2, 3, 4, which we give here. Okay, continuously now the score is updated in the HUD, guys. Let's compile and save. Here also compile and save. Come to game level 1 and play and test. Now you see, if I collect the coin get destroyed. Score is 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, score 5. Like that you are going to implement the score in the game, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try this yourself, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials we understand how to create coin collector game step by step. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.